Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's take a look at this option bar, and on the third position from the right we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here in this device we've got 4 different options from which we can choose, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, so all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Maybe let me turn off the flashlight. So this is how it works, as I said, and if you want to, you can always turn off the timer. Just tap on this option and tap on this icon without any kind of countdown. And now after tapping on the shutter button, your device will immediately take a photo. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.